At the airport, Civi, Daily English, Conversations. Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn English with Araya. Today, we will learn simple English sentences we use at the airport. At the check-in counter, hello, I have a ticket. Here is my passport. I want to check in. Getting boarding pass. Where is my seat? What time is the flight? Here is your boarding pass. Thank you. Security and passport control. Please show your passport. Open your bag. Go through security. You can go. Scene 4, at the gate. Where is gate 5? The flight is delayed. When will we board? Passengers, please come. Practice these sentences daily. Travel with confidence and speak English easily. Follow for more English learning videos.
Subscribe to Learn English with Aria.